Idioma no compatible. Idioma no compatible. Idioma no compatible.
Ai, que carallo. Joder, qué puta molestia. Veña, carga dunha vez. YouTube é unha puta mierda. Unha persona mirando. Sí, tamén.
Idioma no compatible.
Que sí, que sí. Aí, hombre.
fight with a different weapon. Awaken the wild power in the star fragment and...
Que caralho.
Your star fragment! Let's take your star fragment too!
Hurry up and run! Your star fragment is...
After all these years, the memory of that day returned like a nightmare.
Mas é raro o jogo. Un nombre. Basuras. Quedaba mellor na basura, pero bueno.
Hey, it's you! Whoa, are you alright? Did you have that nightmare again? Please, don't feel guilty. The Elder wouldn't want you to feel this way forever. Come on, why don't you go out and get some fresh air? Oh, right. Lottie just left to go to Moonshade Town. You should follow her. I'd love to come with, but running makes my arm hurt. I'll bet Lottie morphed. If you want to catch up to her, you'll have to morph too. Ah, that Lottie. She didn't take the map again. Can you take it to her? I drew up the map because she asked for it too. pick up the map on the table. All right, let's get going.
Manda caray a transformarse en animal.
That was Gigantrite!
Es consultar contenido diverso en F11. F11. O códice este. Hola. Non podo cambiar las armas. Ah, que hai que facer tutorial para conseguir eso. Ah, bueno.
Aw, I forgot the map. Adventurer, why are you here? Ah, I was just about to go back and get it. Thanks. Oh, I need to repair something in Crescent Town. Since you're here already, do you want to go to the training grounds with me? It's been a while since you've seen some action. I'm sure it's nothing too serious or urgent. Besides, today is the day when Gigantrite passes by Wisperian. Wisperian will be full of energy today, so let's take it easy. Why don't you take this chance to try out a different weapon? You can't keep using that broken sword forever. Then we can go to Moonshade Town. What do you say?
Now, let's go.
Stairs are broken. Be careful, my friend.
Seems like Clay is here too, given the special occasion.
Today's the day where the massive divine beast called Gigantrite comes by. Gigantrite is really. What are you doing? Let's go inside.
Oh, I'm surprised to see anyone here today. Want to try out some weapons? At the training grounds, you can try
You're new
out
to
different
these weapons,
weapons
right?
and see
Let
which
me
one
teach
you
you.
like best.
Well, I'm sure you already know you can equip up to 2 weapons. Try out different weapons and find a weapon that you like. Oh, you like that weapon? It suits you. Not bad.
Anda, mira que ben, pode levar 2 conjuntos. Cos seus puntos respectivos e todo. Oh, que guai. Iso está moi ben para ir PvP e PvE. Iso está cojonudo. Moi ben. Puntazo. A verdade é que mis 10. Modo PvP, modo PvE. Bueno, Básicamente sería así un modo PvE. El modo PvP sería así. 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 Ai, o puto ataque automático, non quero. Bo. Non aparece. Da igual. Al cambiar de arma tendrás que volver a configurar tus habilidades. A ver, pulse F11. Habilidades, letra K. Al defenderte del ataque de furia de un enemigo con una habilidad de defensa, cada arma activa un efecto especial. Al activar las habilidades activas atacan a los enemigos, os otorgan a ti otros efectos de tu grupo. Pasivas. Las habilidades añadidas a los accesos rápidos se pueden usar en combate. Una de las habilidades al acceso rápido para equiparte, solo se aplican o puedes usar las habilidades que te hayas equipado. Ajá. Toda la mierda. A verdade é que tampouco teño moita chance. Pasivos non podo poñer ningún.
you're new to these weapons, right? Now, shall we go to Moonshade Town? To Moonshade Town. Can you open the gate?
Sure, Lottie. You'll have a good view of Wisperian on the way too.
Have we spent too much time? Should we hurry?
Whenever Gigantrite visits Wisperian, the town buzzes with excitement and energy. During such an event, you and Lottie left Wisperian's fortress to visit Moonshade Town.
What's going on here? Let's go and check it out. I'll go over first. Follow me with your piton and grappling hook. Huh?
The watchtower was destroyed by an attack. Although the path was now blocked, you and Lottie made use of the piton and your grappling hooks to continue onward.
It looks like the cart was destroyed by artillery.
Who could be attacking? Who could have done something so horrible? If we use the pulley, we'll reach the town in no time. We're almost there. We're almost there.
Det vars.
This can't be happening. The pulley lift is broke. We can't get to... This lift would let us cross Wisperian to get to Moonshade Town. It's the only way to get there without a boat. This is bad. Burmetz is here. I will try to find a way. You go...
Burmetz, can you
then
fix
isn't
this?
Lottie? Well, between the two of us, we'll have it fixed in no time. Shall we get started?
Thank you. Wisperian was hit too. Can you check it out?
You defeated the Black Mitrans that appeared on your way to Vesperian. While Vesperian was still intact, a broken pulley lift prevented you from reaching Moonshade Town. Suddenly, a mysterious being bathed in light appeared and led you to the top of a great tree.
Kyra! Clay! There are still people in the town!
Not good. We need to rescue them. Hurry!
We can't, Kyra. It's too risky to move our troops now.
Damn it! With the pulley destroyed, reinforcements can't reach us!
Is there some way... Oh, someone's coming! How did you get here? I thought the pulley lift was broken. I don't really understand what you're saying, but if you got here with the glide morph, you must have the power of a starframe. Oh, I see. You escaped with me. Thank you. Captain Kyra and I will fight the Archean forces on this side. Please be careful.
After arriving on top of the great...
Damn the Archaea! They even recruited more warriors!
I've opened up a path for you. Now go!
Take Vesperian star fragment and capture all who bear the power of the stars. With this, Khazar will have to recognize Zaroff.
I've got this!
Now die! We can take your star fragment!
dark magic.
Use the right defense skill against King Bert's fury attack!
We really win?
Final blow! Your defense with filing!
His eye is his weakness! This is the power of a rampaging star fragment.
I'm sorry, child.
Children, this way! Hey, wake up! That's strange. I wasn't told about any serious injuries. Hey, are you awake? Do you recognize me? Oh, nice. You wait here. I'll call the healer now.
The child who lost everything here 10 years ago now challenges the might of the Archean Legion. Starborn bravery and determination, forged in celestial fire.
Are you in any condition to move?
What's
I'm on my
happened?
way with the healer.
Do you have... I thought something happened to you.
Sí, tamén se preocupan a min. Por
Clay
min
is
tamén.
waiting inside. So hurry up.
If the pulley wasn't broken, I would have kicked way more ass.
I heard someone took down that giant alone. That's crazy.
You did finally awake. Come this way. Thanks to your defeat of King Vert, we were able to fight off the Archeum. We were about to be killed by King Vert when you're stopped. Speaking of which, I'm sure you feel guilty over what... Please. That said, are you alright? That power is unpredictable when it's in a frenzy. It will... I have a friend named Martinet in Castleton, a town in Lasland. She's researching... Here, take my token. When you are ready to leave, touch Luna Zero's head to temporarily enhance your glide ability. That should get you all the way to Castleton.
For you excited.
Isto ten que ser automático, cando poño algo para non ser el solo. Mándame corazaos. Corazóns. Pero moitos corazóns. Xa me perdí a min que estaba solo.
Thanks to the Star Fragment's power, the island is safe for now.
Vou parar de meter o paro. Canta xente.
Welcome, brother!
Que é este daqui? Oh no, que viching.
Lord Hobbs of Laslan resisted Revolupius, who had usurped the throne, but his dominion was taken by the Archean Legion. However, Laslan was freed by the Founders Order, led by Captain Da Vinci, and the Laslan Allied Resistance Forces were founded here.
Para desbloquear la región. Madre do Carmo, está pitado de xente. Canta divina xente.
The gods.
Oh, do you need something? Do you need anything? Yes. Welcome. Ah, good. I see you have Clay's token. I don't know what those Archean bastards want with her. But under these circumstances, we have no... Oh, sorry for stalling. You need the rest of the passphrase to find Martin.
That was close. I can't believe the ghastly tales were true.
Did it really?
Do you want to learn the new...
So, Clay sent you. The second half of the password is whispers. You want to meet with Martinet?
By the way, many of the townsfolk, including myself, have been brought to health by Martinet's healing skills. Please.
At first, Murphy pretended not to know anything about Martinet. It turns out she had gone into hiding, fearing the Archean Legion. When you showed Clay's token to the villagers, told you where to go, and gave you the full password, the Light Fragment Whispers.
I wasn't expecting any visitors. I haven't seen you around before, so what brings you here? I see. Clay sent you to me because of my research. The truth is, my sister Adriana also suffers from bouts of mana frenzy. I've been searching for a cure. If you're suffering from the effects of mana frenzy as well, a mana calming potion can alleviate your symptoms. Then I'll tell you where to go and what I need. Head to the Golden Apothecary and bring me some rancid powder. You know how to use waypoints, right? If you aren't sure, go ask Priestess Grace. Using them makes it a breeze to return after procuring them. Oh dear. You look... Your symptoms are clearly getting worse. Hurry, bring me some rancid powder.
Castleton Infirmary has been closed for some time, due to rumors that the Archean Legion was hunting Martinet. It was to trick them into thinking that Martinet, who had worked as a healer there, had left. While in hiding, she is still researching a cure for her sister's star fragment side effects.
On the waypoints in the plaza.
Ai, como passei.
This was once the most prosperous granary in Laslan, but after the cursed rain came, it became infested with strangely enlarged pests. People tried to solve the problem by employing the power of free wizards, but the free wizards' clumsy magic only made things worse.
The Einar Priestess Grace introduced waypoints as a great integration of Vanillux's magic. Teleportation was a rare skill that was only used by a few wizards. When the wizard Clay completed the schema for waypoints, it enabled anyone to teleport freely.
Looks like it's your first time using a waypoint. Open your...
Once you place your hand on a waypoint, it will glow with blue light, activating the schema. If If you open the map and select an activated waypoint, you can instantly travel to that location.
What should I do?
How can I help you? Rancid powder? Well, I can't. I haven't received the Master's approval. Collect decomposed hearts from violent harvesters. Poisons, come back here.
In the apothecary at the Goldenrye Pastures works the always gloomy Oliver, the herbalist's apprentice. Oliver has been an apprentice there for some time, though he has yet to gain the approval of his master. You've heard that the locals pitied the outstanding apprentice, a gifted student who suffered under his eccentric master.
Apañas solo. Entendo.
The main ingredients for rancid powder can be acquired from harvesters and insects in the Goldenrye Pastures. They are the decomposed heart of a harvester, which controls magical power, a wasp stinger, which controls magical toxicity, and a contaminated scarab horn, which has a tonic effect. These ingredients are highly toxic on their own, but highly effective together.
que ainda non sei para que sirve todas as habilidades.
Welcome to Mandrake Farmstead, where we grow.
Then...
Non me adapto aos controles. Esa habilidade sirve de remate. Podemos rematar a min mismo. Cofrestazo.
While you search for treasures hidden in ships wrecked by storms and chests that have been drifting, you will encounter the masters of the coastline. From a distance, they look like normal crustaceans, but when you get up close, you'll find they pose a greater threat than you anticipated.
What brings you here? Huh? Oliver, herbalists have to go to perilous places to acquire... Well, I'll make the... Here's your rancid powder.
After acquiring the last ingredient from the Mandrake Farmstead, you were able to meet the herbalist Wilson. He always entrusted the apothecary to his apprentice and collected herbs alone. He had to venture to all sorts of dangerous areas to get medicinal herbs. But his pupil was a coward who would flee at the sight of an ant.
Wow, e non houve pantalla de carga. Que guapo. Hostia, que ben feito estuvo eso, sí señor. Mis 10. Nada mal, nada mal. Muy chulo eso.
So, how are you feeling? I'm glad you're all right. I'll make the Mana calming potion for you right away. All right, here you are. Why don't you try it and see how it works? How are you? Are you feeling any? Just as I thought. It's much more effective. The calming potion's effect is very effective this time. I need to... Thank you. This is the same calming potion that only Mina knows where my sister is, you see. Zeroth's men might fall. Yes, Zarath, the leader of Laslin's Archeum unit. You see, if the power is strong enough, the mana will go into a frenzy. The calming potion...
The effect of the mana calming potion that Martinet made was incredible. Soon after you drank the potion, you could feel your magic begin to settle down. Martinet, who had been researching a way to relieve her older sister Adriana's pain for so long, finally succeeded in creating a potion more effective than her other attempts.
Oh, equivoquei-me de habilidade. Merda. Cago na puta que me equivoquei de habilidade. Ay, qué tonto del culo, en serio. Son tonto hasta para esto.
This ugly statue going to remain here? This guy's been dead for ages.
Soy un estúpido hasta para estas cosas. É increíble. Non ten solución, carallo. Qué bonito. nicho. Caralho. Ah, Nutri. Qué bonito. Ah, vale. Ah, vale. Qué guay.
Uh-huh. How can I have seen that you brought the calming...
The news from Nina was unexpected. Zeroth's spies were closing in on Adriana's hideout, forcing her to flee. Martinet's potion was still not effective enough to control her mana completely, so she set out to find a way to quell her frenzied mana on her own.
Unfortunately, we're a bit late. That one must have taken Adriana away!
You have a star fragment just like that girl. I won't be going home empty-handed after all. You dare interfere with our plans? I'll kill you!
Hand over the star fragment! Lose to some kid!
I'll take your star fragment, even if I have to pry it from your corpse! You won't be able to escape long, until it...
I can't with time, man. I felt I quit just why.
The Archean Legion attacked the lighthouse where Adriana had been hiding, seeking the power of a star fragment. Only after defeating them did you discover her research papers and a diary she had left behind. There, she had clearly recorded the difficult times she had been through.
Just who was Janice Carter anyway? She recognized my power. She ended up
You found a document which contained details about Janice Carter, someone Adriana had met. Janice, recognizing the strength of the star fragment that Adriana had, Archean forces captured Martinet, the younger of two twin sisters. By keeping her hostage, they forced